Hello everyone, my name is Charan Aditya. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Food Technology at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So today we are going to see about the basic concepts of refrigeration system. We are going to see about introduction. A major application area of thermodynamics is refrigeration, which is the transfer of heat from lower temperature region to a higher temperature one. So the device that produce refrigeration are called refrigerators, and the cycle on which the refrigerators operate are called refrigeration cycle. So the most frequently used refrigeration cycle is the vapor compression cycle, uh, and in which the refrigerant is vaporized and condensed alternatively and is compressed in the vapor phase. Another well-known refrigeration cycle is the gas refrigeration cycle, in which the refrigerant remains in the gaseous phase throughout. Okay, let's talk about principles of refrigeration. What happens exactly in a refrigeration system? So when liquid absorbs heat, it is changed into gaseous state by vapor. So this is called latent heat of vaporization. And when gases give off heat, they tend to turn to liquid. This is called latent heat of condensation. So now we are going to see about the four basic processes which happens in a refrigeration system. Before going into that, we need to know about the four major devices which is used in the refrigeration cycle. So first one is compressor, second one is condenser, third one is expansion valve or throttling device, the fourth one is evaporator. So let's go into the process. The first process involves from 1 to 2, which is isentropic compression, which happens in a compressor. The second one is 2 to 3, which is constant pressure heat rejection, which happens in a condenser. The third one is from process 3 to 4, it's isentropic expansion, which happens in a throttling device or an expansion device. The fourth one is from process 4 to 1, which is constant pressure heat rejection that happens in a evaporator. This is the cycle of cooling. Okay. Next we are going to see about the compressor. So the refrigerant comes into the compressor as a low pressure gas. It is compressed, then moves out of the compressor as a high pressure gas. Due to this compression, the temperature increases. The compressed gas then flows to the condenser. Here the gas condenses to a liquid and gives off its heat to the outside air. Then it goes to the expansion valve or metering device, where the gas is turned into liquid by the condenser, and the liquid then moves to the expansion valve under high pressure. This valve restricts the flow of the fluid and lowers its pressure as it leaves to the expansion valve. After that, it comes to the evaporator, where the low pressure liquid then moves to the evaporator, where heat from the inside air is absorbed and changes it from a liquid to a gas. Then again the cycle repeats, and the phase change of refrigerant happens from gaseous state to liquid state and from liquid state to gaseous state, which happens in a cyclic way. So the major component which is used in a refrigeration cycle is the refrigerant. So selecting that is the major importance. So there are several type of refrigerants such as CFCs, ammonia, hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, and even water. But the best and most frequently used refrigerant is ammonia, that is which is used in an industrial level and in multiple refrigerators. So this is the basic concept of refrigeration cycle system. Thank you for listening.